Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the Marine Soldier Swiss Army knife as it is in front of the camera in the three colors we did make as a special limited edition. We basically did start with the Soldier Swiss Army knife and changed the all feature to the Marlin spike feature, as we see here. The knife on the right side is the gold Alox version of the Marine Soldier. The green version on the left is our Apocalypse Green Soldier Swiss Army knife. So that was basically the only change that we did, to replace the awl with the Marlin spike. And of course we needed to have the cutout here on the scale for the Marlin spike feature. So we did a limited edition in three colors. All three of them are here in front of the camera. We have basically the gold Alox version with the red shield, then the red Alox version with the silver shield. Backside is always with the engraving plate and the cutout, of course, for the Marlin spike. Last version is in blue Alox with the red shield. As we see on the back side, it's a relatively thin Swiss Army knife. We have only two layers. The main or first layer is for the knife blade and the Marlin spike, and the second layer is for the opener tools. We have here the big screwdriver with the bottle opener and the wire stripper. On the other side we have the small screwdriver with the can opener feature. So this makes for a really compact 93mm handle length Swiss Army knife. The Alox make it really durable as well. As we fold in quick the tools, we see the main difference between the Soldier and the Marine Soldier is not visible from the front. As we turn it around, we see it really clear. The Marlin spike is on the blue version big to see. On the green Alox Soldier, the awl is relatively compact on the side, on the rim of the scale. No big cutout needed there. The rest is the same. As we see, the construction of the two knives absolutely the same. We may do a Pioneer version in the future. We will see, by adding a split ring on the back side of the knife that is relatively easy to do, would give a secondary model of this. The basic model was back then named Pioneer 2223. That did never feature much in a catalog or show up publicly. That is more a name that was used in the factory, and there was no real name for that model because it was uncommon even back then. So now this model has a name that fits and works. And as I say, the Soldier knife without the split ring, it would be easy to add a split ring for a secondary version of this as in a pioneer style. Then maybe we do that in the future, we will see. And for now we have the Marine Soldier in 3 exciting colors, limited edition, made by Victorinox for Swiss Bianco.